enthusiasm and passion. Trust me, I was born here, I was born in the hospital that burned down. I raised my kids here, and I'm doing this just to try to make this community better. I do not believe that we have any control over ICE or Core Civic or any of that. I do believe, however, to be a little bit combative, that ICE is a federal government arm, an agency, that do some good things too. I mean, we're just taking them to be the bad guys. There are some positive things they do. There's a bunch of bad people out there, and they didn't come into this country like my ancestors did. They come in illegally. There's human trafficking, drug trafficking. There's things that need to be cleaned up. Now, are they doing it right? I don't know. I can't even fathom.
You should.
Government's too big.
You should.
I never-
But you commented on that. That's what you commented on.